Welcome to the ABI Snapshot, where we spotlight critical findings and the latest research from our global team of analysts. In this snapshot, we're speaking with David McQueen, Strategic Technologies Research Director at ABI Research. David will answer key questions about his series of RCR Wireless news articles on the evolution and the rise of relevance for advanced RF systems with 5G and subsequent new connectivities. Welcome, David.
Hello, and thanks for having me.
Pleasure. So your first article is all about the evolving complexity of the radio frequency front end as the market transitions from 4G to 5G. What's driving that complexity?
The ongoing transition from 4 to 5G brings with it new features and functionalities, but as a consequence, also brings greater complexity to the radio system. Specifically, with 5G promising a raft of new innovative user experiences to support high bandwidth and low latency applications, the addition of a multitude of new RF components for supporting these new radio bands and many possible combinations is necessary, leading to substantial changes in the design of mobile devices.
How can these complexities be addressed?
In short, through the implementation of system-level designs, OEMs will need to move away from RF components assembly and adopt a system-level radio design, tackling RF problems from the modem to the antenna. Such an approach will help maximize device performance without compromising overall device design, time to market, or cost.
Do most companies offer an RF system-level approach?
Yeah, only a few players offer an RF system-level approach, and Qualcomm is leading the pack. But while Qualcomm's competitors have done some great work catching up with 5G modem performance, the majority are still in the very early stages of developing RF product portfolios and designs.
So your second article discusses how RF system level designs are not just for smartphones. Why is that?
Yeah, the promise of 5G is designed to unlock innovative use cases and democratize experience for growth beyond mobile phones, reaching new form factors and market segments to exponentially expand 5G device types. Adding next-gen Wi-Fi into the mix also extends this advanced connected addressable market, but again, brings with it more RF complexity that needs to be resolved.
So how do OEMs overcome the RFFE challenges beyond smartphones?
As mentioned, smartphone and non-smartphone OEMs must adopt system-level designs to help solve the integration of the whole 5G cellular system design into their devices.
So the third article in your series looks at artificial intelligence as a native part of the cellular radio system. Tell us more.
Yeah, so the next wave of development is bringing artificial intelligence to the radio system level to help boost performance, improve wireless communication, and enable new use cases. It is the collaboration and complementary processing of data between cloud AI and device AI that can provide enhanced end-to-end radio efficiency and experiences.
The final article in your series dives into how the emergence of 5G Advanced will unlock new use cases and applications. Sounds exciting.
Yes, indeed. 5G Advanced will drive 5G's next transformational phase, although it's unlikely to be introduced until 2024, probably at the earliest. It will act as a tipping point for enabling new use cases and creating fresh business opportunities in both the enterprise and consumer sectors.
But 5G advanced functionality will also place further complexity on the radio system, correct?
Yes, so the addition of these new 5G advanced functionalities will have an increasingly demanding impact on hardware and on the growth in new device designs, some of which will need additional hardware. Improved power efficiencies and management will also be fundamental requirements. This will have a major bearing on the preference, management and configuration of the modem, further increasing the number and complexity of radio system components and modules.
Should the industry proceed to deal with these 5G advanced added complexities?
Yeah, so the industry must first grasp the fundamentals for resolving this snowballing complexity of integrating these many advancements, while also learning lessons in cellular radio design. The RF companies that win out and gain industry support will need to demonstrate that their solution, in whatever form that takes, is able to improve performance, reduce time to market, lower overall costs, and allow flexibility and customization. Such metrics will become imperative for end device differentiation, notably as the RF battleground extends into new sectors and markets beyond smartphones.
Great stuff, David. To learn more about the evolution and rise of relevance for advanced RF systems due to 5G and beyond, visit qualcomm.com or RCR Wireless News.